Today we're going to talk about why your chickens like to roll around in the dirt.
Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below.
Have you noticed your chickens rolling around in the dirt? This is a natural thing that chickens do for a number of reasons. Your chickens are actually taking a bath whenever they're rolling around. A dirt bath is quite beneficial to your chickens. What they are doing is keeping themselves healthy and clean. Chicken dirt baths help your chickens keep cool in warm weather, protect the chicken's body and skin, remove parasites, lice, and mites. It also removes the excess oil from their skin and feathers. You're going to need to provide a dust bath for your chickens or they will create one themselves. Your dust bath needs to include ashes, dirt, sand, or a combination of all three. You can use an old tire and fill it with ashes, dirt, and sand as a dust bath for your chickens. Actually, you can use anything that is shallow. You just want your chickens to be able to cover themselves completely with the dust. You can also use diatomaceous earth in your dust bath to help ward off all those little crittery creatures that like to invade your chickens. Keep your dust bath in an area to keep it safe from the rain, snow, or other bad weather. Dust baths are a year-round necessity for chicken care. So no, your chicken is not part dog, and rolling around in the dirt is a perfectly normal thing. Share with me your dust baths. What have you created around your own homesteader farm? I would love to see videos of your chickens taking baths, photos. Leave them down in the comments below.
Thank you for watching today's video on Homesteading Farm Life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.